Hi everyone, a modern file explorer is now available on Windows 11, but it's not from Microsoft. Files, a third-party file explorer, is now available for free through the Microsoft Store. To install, open Microsoft Store. Find Files app Modern File Manager. Click on Get button. The app will start downloading and installing. After the installation, open Files app. Files is a file manager with a powerful yet intuitive design. Manage all your files with increased productivity. Work across multiple folders with tabs. When you go to Settings, you will get a lot of options like themes, languages, folder options, etc. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.